Hey, it's Regina from Meat Travel Life. Today we're making hot dog barbecue hot dogs. Let's go ahead and get started. This is what you'll need. And I've got my crock pot on. I got a mini one. So I'm going to take the hot dogs and cut them into diagonal shapies so that they look like this, kind of fancy, and cut each one up about 4 times, give or take. No one's judging. And we're going to do this to 8 hot dogs. Let's go ahead and do that and put them in. This is a great party recipe, and it doesn't cost a lot, and it's great for those football games that you're going to be watching soon. So you just put these in, and it's really to your taste of how much ketchup and barbecue you put in. I'm going to measure it just so I can give you guys a baseline. It's a 1-to-1. So you can see the hot dogs are in there. That's kind of warm. We're going to set it back down. And I'm going to start out with a 1/2 cup each of ketchup and barbecue. Use your favorite barbecue that you like. This is going to caramelize and get really good. Don't want to put all the messy stuff. Let's tink this down so we're able to grab it. Can you see that? All right. So this is our baseline of everything, and then you'll taste it and adjust more ketchup, more barbecue, depending on how tangy you want it. You want it more tang, you might add more barbecue. Or if you want more sweetness, you might add ketchup. And this is gonna look kind of weird. I'll show you. Can I show you? See? We're just stirring it all in. Get everything coated, and then we're gonna cover it and just let it be. This might be enough, and then you can just taste them. Once they're warm, you can start eating one and seeing how it tastes. When they're all cooked, they will all be kind of a little bit puffy. That's a nice way to say it. And then you'll be able to eat them, and just leave it here and you can serve them at a party. Be perfect. We'll be back when it looks a little more cookied. And you can see they're starting to caramelize in here and get all bubbly. They're cooking pretty well. You could eat them now, or you can wait and they will caramelize more on them themselves. They will caramelize more on the hot dog itself and get kind of burnt. That's when they're really good. You can see they're expanding out like I talked about. We've been eating these while they've been being made, so that's why you see so much sauce. Ooh, they're looking great. Give them a stir. You can eat them now. Oh, did you see that? Let me try to get... See that little caramelization on the end at the top there? That's what you're looking for. They are done and ready to be served. This one is perfection. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if you tried these before. Perfection.